Alright, today here I'm going to present you my Benelli Nova. Really isn't much to know about the Nova. I wanted to do so you know what kind of gun I have. It's 26-inch barrel, and I got it from Cabela's. Shoots 3.5 inch, and she works. It's got pump action, as you know. You can disassemble, clean, whatever. I use this gun for just about everything. I mean, I duck hunt, rabbit hunt, deer hunt, turkey hunting pretty soon. And it's just an awesome gun in general, I guess. Like, I honestly don't want to get rid of this gun. I'm never getting rid of this gun. For a first gun, it's definitely, price can't beat the price. I think I paid $5 something for it, brand new, at Cabela's, right up there. Bought a bunch of stuff, you know, and it's just really good gun. I can't complain. At first we thought there was something wrong with it, because obviously that sticks down, but it's supposed to stick down, because when you're duck hunting and you're trying to throw shells in there, it'll stay down. You throw them in there, and the only thing that's like that stays like that, you just pull this down a little bit and it will pop right back up and it stays up. So when they drop me off when we're driving in the woods and I load up, I'm sitting there, I get 3 shells in, and 1 in the chamber, 2 in here. I just pop it like that and then I'm ready. Safety is really awesome. Most guns have them back here. Some guns have them on the other side. Some guns have them up here. I mean, that's pretty cool too. But hold on, let me fix something here. I don't know if you could have seen this, but yeah, right here is a problem that's messing up. Or not messed up, but I thought was messing up. Is that speed loader. Safety is right here, as you can see. And it's 26-inch barrel, like I said. I've probably killed 15 deer with this gun, and I couldn't tell you. See on my videos, you could obviously see that she does her job. That video I posted a couple months ago when deer shot at 95 yards. It wasn't really 95, probably like 85, 70, 79, 85, around there. After my stepdad told me, I didn't know how far it was, but then my stepdad said I didn't know 95 yards. So I was like, oh. And I shot that deer, and it hit in the butt a little bit, but it had 4 to 6 pellets in its butt, which I thought that was really good. Yeah, so if you're thinking about getting this gun for a first gun, or in general, this gun is it's awesome. I have no pattern master in it. I shoot Federal Premium 3.5 inch. I don't want a gun that doesn't have 3.5 inch, because I don't know, just don't want one. This is actually kind of dirty right now. I don't know if you can see in there. But all you gotta do to take it off is pop this off. Yeah. I can't really get that off. I gotta sit up in this chair to get it off. Damn, I can't get that off today. Oh, there we go. Oops. Oh, wait. She pops right off for easy access. I don't know if you can see through there. And she pops right in there. You can clean her up. You can take the tool I press down on this. I make this tight because I don't want that bad boy coming off. Hold on. Do a test. Safety's always on. Never keep that off. So, Benelli Nova, 26-inch barrel, 3.5 inch, and she just about hasn't let me down yet. I mean, I missed a couple times with her, but that's just because of me. Pattern's good. Definitely ain't going wrong with this gun. Alright, peace.